Good morning, my Patreon friends. You know what happened yesterday was so interesting. I was looking at my friend Ekk work on the Printmaking Teachers in a Box micro Rembrandt press. And I had found a box and it kind of fitted in this box, and I thought, this is progress. And then I was looking at this one. This is one of the sheets that he produced with his laser engraver. And this array of coins, they sort of look like coins, reminded me of a game, how they kind of line up. And I thought, well, maybe there's a game. And so I found this box that I have in my museum and took out pieces and started arranging them. And I don't know where to go from here, but finally I found this box from Latvia, had been sent to me by my friend in Riga. And I must have eaten the chocolate when she sent it. Anyway, doesn't this look like a game to you? Everything looks like a game to a game designer. Well, I hope you have a good day. Thanks for watching.